No onion, no tomato. But this coconut milk fish curry is super creamy, spicy and absolutely delicious. Perfect for bachelors.
Take a bowl and add 3 tablespoons ginger garlic paste, turmeric, Kashmiri red chili powder, spicy red chili powder, garam masala, and salt. Mix all together.
Squeeze fresh lemon juice over the fish pieces and coat each piece nicely with the masala. Add chopped coriander leaves and let the fish marinate for 30 minutes. Same process do with curry pieces. Now heat oil in a pan. Add chopped garlic and curry leaves. Fry until the garlic turns golden brown. Add the curry fish pieces and cook until the raw smell disappears. For richer red color, add a little more Kashmiri chili powder and spicy red chili powder. Now pour in the coconut milk and let it simmer until the fish is fully cooked. Finish with fresh coriander leaves and check the salt. Now let's make the crispy fish fry. Take semolina, Kashmiri chili powder and salt in one plate. Mix together. Coat each marinated fish slice evenly with the suji mixture. Heat oil in another pan and fry the fish on medium-high flame. Cook for about 2 minutes on each side until crispy and golden brown. Transfer to tissue paper to remove excess oil.
Try this easy bachelor-friendly recipe and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Triple Tadka for more tasty recipes.